good day. My personal insights regarding the video, it's all about on the strategic analysis and a choice. Emphasize the importance of evaluating strategic alternatives to ensure organizational success. Strategy and in a choice of business involve process analyzing a company's internal strength and weaknesses while considering external opportunities and threats. And then selecting of the suitable strategy for achieving organization goals based on the analysis to achieve the long term. So one of the strategic frameworks like SWOT analysis. So in SWOT analysis is a strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. This frame help to understanding and organize internal capabilities, strength and weaknesses, and external factors, opportunity and threats. Like for example of SWOT analysis is a technology company might identify its strength in a prefer priority for software, weaknesses, and limited market reach, and opportunity emerging the market and threats for a new competitor. So this analysis guide the formulations of strategies and leverage and strength and address the weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. So these frameworks provide structures, approach to analyzing the complex internal and external factors, helping organizations move to the data and collection to inform strategic choices. Applying these tools allow business to gain clarify on their current standing and potential future and direction, ultimately leading to more effective strategy formulations. That's all. Thank you.